This Dars, they say in my part of the world. I trust you're well and interested in learning how to finalise our first spreadsheet. Today we'll quickly cover off the last two letters of our DAPER process. Do you remember the steps in the DAPER process? The DAPER process covers the logical steps in producing a spreadsheet that reduces errors and wasted time. D stands for data. Clean and validate the data. A stands for analyze. Analyze the data. P, present your data to your superiors. E, explain, or leave instructions and notes for users and future reference. You will forget, I forget. And finally R, review the workbook for errors and gain user feedback before refining, saving and backing up the sheet.
So the fourth step in our DAPER process is explain, and it covers adding notes to ourselves and instructions to the user. So we're going to create a new sheet called instructions. But first of all, we better rename this one. So down here it says sheet 1, double click on that. We'll change that to data. Add a new sheet by hitting the plus icon here. And we'll name this instructions. Now the format of notes and instructions is up to you, but let's do something quickly. Let's change the widths of these columns. We'll make it a bit narrower so they cascade down better. Change the first two, I think, to bold, so we can either hit the B there or hit Control B, whichever you prefer. And we'll make the top one a bit bigger, I think. We can either change the size here, or we could use one of these two arrows. This one makes it smaller, this one makes it bigger. So let's do a couple of amendments because we've got things slightly wrong here. So the percentage is spelt wrong. And there should be a gap between there and there. So that's quite easy to do. The other way of checking things is if we highlight the area we want to check, we go to review and we've got a spelling option right at the beginning here. So it says I've still got percentage wrong. So I need to change that. That should read student, not strident. So we'll click on student and change that. Previous is spelt wrong. So we'll change that. And that should read above. So spelling's correct. So now we can go and save that.
The final step in DAPER is to review the workbook. Check there are no errors. Ask users feedback and modify if necessary. Protect and back up your worksheet for safety so you can make sure you can always go back to the original copy. I hope you have learnt and enjoyed something from this tutorial on DAPER handling in Excel. If you have, then please support this channel by clicking like, and if you want to see other material on this channel, then please subscribe. Keep in touch and I hope to see you soon.